Hello students, hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to start the session with a topic called check-in procedure for domestic, international groups and crew members. Whenever we are expecting any groups in the hotel, we need to make sure that the front office prepare a group list containing the details of the guest name, address, why they are visiting, that is purpose of visit, and how many days they are going to stay, preference, meal preference, passport details, visa details, any special instructions given by the booker, etc. After confirming the type and number of rooms required, the front office should block rooms for the group, preferably on the same floor. The room types requirement will be given by the person responsible for the booking. That could be a group leader who will be there along with the group and who will take responsibilities of the group, and he will also make sure that whatever details are not being provided to the hotel will be given or provided by him at the time of check-in. The front office need to prepare the room list containing the name of the group members. You need to have the name of the group members, where the members details will be there, and what are their preferences. There might be some group members who would be allergic to something, or maybe somebody have a request of a soft bed, or somebody is maybe have a problem with the smoke smell, so they would prefer a non-smoking room. So you need to make sure that all the details have been considered and you allot the rooms to them accordingly. The front office department has to make sure that all the room keys are ready before the group checks in, and you need to have a separate desk to take the check-in formalities for the group, which will be like one of the senior person, maybe the duty manager or the lobby manager, will be assisting with a front office assistant, or could be a executive or supervisors. So they have to make sure that they make the arrangement separately, so it doesn't get mixed with the other arrivals on that particular day. Based on the information received from the group leader or the booker, the front office need to fill up all the GRCs, like the guest registration card, in prior to the arrival. They can note down the guest names and other details in the GRC, so that it will be easier at the time of check-in of the group, so they don't have to wait for a long time. Passport and visa details to be collected from all the foreign nationals, and C form to be signed. You need to have a separate C form ready for the group, and you need to take all their passports and visas and take a Xerox copy of the same to attest it with the C form, as we need to send the C form to the police station after the groups check-in in the hotel. That is a formality by the government, that where any foreigners visiting your property or staying with you, you have to make sure that you take their details, a Xerox copy of their passport and visa details, and send it to the nearest police station for verification. After that, the front office should coordinate with F&B service department for arrangement of welcome drink. So before the guest check-in, you have to make sure you intimate the information, you pass on the information to F&B department, saying that we are expecting a group at this particular date or at this particular time, so we will be needing some welcome drinks to be served in the lobby area when the guest is arriving in the hotel. So that arrangement need to be done prior to the arrival. And you have to also make sure whenever any group is arriving in the hotel, you have to have a proper or adequate number of staff available in the shift to handle the luggages of the group, and you have to make sure that all of the staffs are not being involved in the group arrival. So what you will do is you have a arrival of other guests also. So during the group arrival, you will allocate or a particular staff, say 2 front office associate will be there along with the duty managers to handle the guest arrival, and you have to report somebody from the bell desk, the bell captain, or along with the bell captain there could be some other bell boys who can assist them to arrange or to carry the luggages to the guest rooms. So we can also, if you have industrial trainees along with us, we can utilize them also for this process. So there should not be a shortage of manpower whenever a group check-in is going on, and you have to have a separate area to keep their luggage so that particular luggage doesn't match up with the other guest arrival. So these are the main points we need to remember whenever we are taking any group check-ins, or either it could be a crew members or any domestic or international groups. Hope these are clear to you all, and please feel free to get in touch with me if you have any queries. Thank you.